Visiting tourist attractions is always a memorable experience. I've had the opportunity to explore some popular tourist spots, and each visit has left a lasting impression. One of the attractions I visited was the Eiffel Tower in Paris. The view from the top was breathtaking, and I marveled at the beauty of the city. I enjoyed taking photos and savoring delicious French pastries at a nearby cafe. Another memorable visit was to the Grand Canyon in the United States. The vastness of the canyon is awe-inspiring, and I couldn't help but be amazed by the natural beauty. I took a mule ride along the rim and watched a stunning sunset. During a trip to India, I explored the historic Taj Mahal. The intricate architecture and the love story behind it were fascinating. It was a serene experience to wander the gardens and admire the white marble monument. In Thailand, I visited the ancient city of Ayutthaya. Exploring the ruins of temples and palaces was like stepping back in time. I also had a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River, which offered beautiful views of the city. These visits to tourist attractions have allowed me to appreciate the world's diversity and the wonder of human and natural creations. I look forward to exploring more such places in the future.